welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button and hit that post notification button so that way you could be aware of when I post another video. And if you're not new, thank you for coming back. So by the title of this video, you definitely know what I'm about to do. I'm about to make some lip gloss and I'm about to show you how I do it. So for this video, I am going to put the camera mostly on me mixing, but I'll probably talk through it. But I just want you guys to see exactly what I got here before I get into the video. I have a lot of things, and yeah, I got a lot of things. This is my first time. It looks relaxing, and I'm so excited to do this because I'm really so excited. So before we get into the video, let me show you everything that I have. Okay, I'm back. It's morning time. That's why I got this on my head. And look at my little belly. Yeah, see you soon. Oh my gosh. But before I have that, I got these. I got squeeze tubes, and I just wanted to clean it out before I actually start. So I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna clean it out. I got some water over here. It's actually boiled water. I put some boiled water in there, and I'm gonna put some soap, and I'm gonna just go ahead and sterilize these so that they could be clean before I start, so that when I'm done I can just put them in there. So be right back. All right, so I have all of the tubes soaking in here. I was gonna let it soak in here until I was done, but I actually want it pretty dry when I'm finished so I can fill them up. So I'm gonna let them soak in here until I am done showing you guys everything that's on my table, and we could just go. And I'm gonna have a seat because I'm pregnant as hell. So again, I have bowls because I plan on making 3 different kinds. I'm not sure yet. I have a book and I'm gonna write it down. So these are the glitters that I have. This is a black butterfly. I'm not sure if you could see it. Probably see it better here. There you go. That's silver butterflies, and I got some gold butterflies. I had pink ones, but I think I lost it when I was throwing out the Amazon boxes, because I had so many freaking Amazon boxes and I ended up throwing it out. These are glitters right here. All different kinds of glitters that I cannot wait to experiment with. I got some Mica powder, I don't know what it's called. I didn't open it yet, so. Oh, look how pretty. I'm sorry, I'm too busy looking at it in person to. But yeah, it came with these different colors. I'm definitely going to use this one today. That pink. And I probably use another one. I'm not sure, but definitely gonna use the pink one today. And of course, I have some Versagel. I only have 10 ounces, so let's see how much that can actually make, because again, this is my first time and I'm pretty excited to do it. To be honest. These are different flavors. I don't know what flavor I want to use. This is melon. I have melon, kiwi, strawberry, mango, tangerine, pomegranate, coconut, lime, peach, pineapple, and tropical. Some hand sanitizer. Here we go. Some vitamin E. Some fractionated coconut oil. And of course, I got some gloves. Oh, also, I got these syringes. This is for them. They look pretty big. They're not the small ones. And I got a bunch of pipettes. These were like 100. I don't remember the exact price, but I am going to link every single thing that I have here down low in the description box. Hold on. Here we go. I'm not sure the price, but I am going to link every single thing that I have here down low on the description box. So if you guys want to start your own lip gloss business, you would have a foundation of exactly where to start and what to get. You don't need the glitters. The glitters is just to make it pretty, but all the colors. But again, I'm just so excited because it looks like it's going to be a fun thing to do. So right now I'm about to go clean out the squeeze tubes. I got some other tubes on the way. I bought wand tubes. They're coming from Amazon, so when those come, I'll probably make some more. But yeah, I haven't decided exactly what kind I'm gonna make yet. Y'all gonna see it because I'm gonna record the process, then write it down, of course. Then we get to name them, you know, because we are going to sell them. And that's it. I'm probably gonna make some more, but I am so super duper excited. Like, it looks like something fun. So let's get into it. Actually, not yet, but yeah, let's get into it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright, so I'm done with the lip gloss, and I do have to sanitize them because they get real sticky afterwards. So I'm cleaning them up here just with some dishwashing soap and some warm water. So I'm gonna finish cleaning these up and I'll be back. Alright, this is it. This is the finished product. I got five out of these nice pretty golds I made. I don't know what I'm gonna name it yet. Not sure, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna have a nice name. Got 5 of those. I got 4 of these. 4. And I got 4 clear. Again, not sure what I'm gonna name it, but that is the finished product. So okay, so we're done. We have clear. I'm not sure exactly what the name is gonna be. We have this nice pretty pink. I think this pink came out so pretty. And we have this nice gold. And that is how I made lip gloss. Again, I'm gonna link every single thing down in the description that I use. So if you want to make lip gloss, you could do it too. And that is the end of this video. So if you like that, do me a favor and subscribe, because I'm only gonna get better from here. This was my first batch, and I'm actually gonna order more because I had so much fun making it. Like, making it was the best part. So I'm gonna order some more. If y'all see, I had such a hard time filling up these clears. I do not know why. I do not know how. What was wrong? But again, that was the first batch and it came out pretty decent. So I'm gonna order some more stuff and I'm gonna make some more stuff so that way maybe I can sell some more stuff. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please, again, if you're new, subscribe. Press the like button. That's the thumbs up. The post notification button so that you are always aware when I post another video. Thank you for watching. Peace.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.